There be a macacho say Yediaku Kodro, Nyamisro, Nipa Hundo, or my gun and count on Puntuti, a better yarding. Near penny for so san see a dear cocoa within the 2 by the power Montino, or the Ahombrasim etie. Medidia could see in Asem Yi Di Ka and as you found a second say, Kingdom Herbal Center. Omanako Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules, Diabajaso. They see a dro tatashe boy penne, a many pubby bridge, no monasu ye. It's as a boosty amount for immune system. Immune system won't tell some say, and come what we want the pageanim. And ya don't be a ben pageam a cool editia. But a sound come on, no yemra. Ya be a pay and a bidding person could him to better stories miti, Makuma, Menfe. Uya Kingdom Herbal Center for Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Unwana abua she kwamwana ma no manya hone dia kwati abua no ene ya wodo a eba ni padwam wa sade adoro ni padwam ma no binenna ne sade ni nyina emfa emaw New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules ye bema dia de G 3 points near up to now Black Stars intimi nyi bi fa ma every coast no bema na ji omo 3 points e wo mpem bema no ma boa ma mema yosim wie peyo betimi akwa ahombachi betimi akwa no pa betimi akwa nyu betimi akwa anajo isa so how we system no e ni nyina firo tremendous ye ma ne dia e ma ne siesie you feel no you white bia to ba bia pato white was so dear wadro e tremendous capsules enye ferie e yare enye ferie kra e yare ukọ ba bia to do so pe tremendous capsules e free Kingdom Herbal Center no mine nyina emfemfro Ghana ba bia to do bia no okwa sabe ka bi ato atufofo ne nkyira Okanshi drug lane Frezo 275 804064 0275 804064 and 0302 938 153 Kingdom was no challenger. Anapai yebedi komodi afa transport fare see about 20% say yentu. But quickly share statement be a GPR2 for the bar and ra. Can be statement be enra GPR2 Ghana Private Road Transport Union of TUC. For this statement a buy 20% upward adjustment on the transport fares. Omasem nyina and say aban atase anhwehan ama insurance ye de boy cars on ya tum by 10%. And number 1. Number 2 so you say spare parts bo cost because a true be a jeju on your port outdoor no ya pagem bi kra sa be ka ho. Entamen no mko aboso kan wo call Kumasi magazine ene miam ya do so wo kwa kwasieso mka e ka no mbo na enka ne sa aka ne kosoro enu tiri ogina so e de atum so mo ahwe ne sa omodwuma ebegu afamfa ko Ministry of Transport share enu statement the ministry ne so e issue ye. Okay, so this Ministry of Transport or see purported increase in public transport fares. The ministry has cited publication in the media by commercial road transport operators purported an increase in public transport fares in the country effective Wednesday, January 24, 2024. We wish to inform the general public that there has not been any negotiation with the transport operators for a review of the transport fares. We therefore urge the general public to disregard the purported increase. Disregard nanampe. Medoko graphic 2022. Tradibo daily graphic online. Tio. Shedate way. July 15, 2022. No transport fare increases. GPRTU, GRTCC. We're through a buying. 2022. As I'm craving the catch there. Disregard. Obi na turn a car. Also from a do 10 cities. O say aban say disregard. Aban or trotro. Aban or trotro. Mesre na mencha danche. Mesre honorable Siama, transport minister. Sa disregard no and solve she. No kro no. Sa na in 2022. Disregard. Every eche na ebe regard here. Trot for ne to first mu a ye ntimi and disregard hwe. Aba ne mamuntua because nipa na car ne ne dia. Afina se be ye beto a police for dia to trot cars nyina mu. Some say drivers no enye more than ye can see na enye adwuma. Na me come say my police nim fra be me den. Ye be the minister because some of these things no I was not even expecting a statement from the ministry. Because no call me and say the statement no enye. That's the whole fact. Statement no said drivers nika say or men say in 2022 no in 2024 statement no enye. Osi watum obetimi afro o se pin ufra no atwa ntomu no wontimi mfro no anante abadwuma. Minister, at least I was expecting say you continue to engage them because at least you were grace period kakra and then Friday you was Saturday Sunday Monday Tuesday Wednesday at least 5 days. So minister say you better to the minister said blah 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 blah. So disregard that. To be honest, me say drivers ne kase ya tum 20% na yegia ultimi nya hoshe. Nokure wo no. Ultimi nya hoshe. Ye ne benyo how ewe so. And you see, I think also a time where ye nyina behwe sa de we. Ye to amanya ye agi taxa. You know even how business are thriving. Our only interest is to say tax in the diabo semuchia. Why should a tax collector be more interested in my tax but not interested in survival of my business? Drivers not raising concern. In your insurance, Libby. Ekosro, Minister of Transport, where were you? With all due respect. Now way. Money e peja insurance premium no na Minister of Transport but now way and as that time ye issue statement say we should disregard the premium increase. The charges are hold airport. Minister of Transport, you were there. Why didn't you issue statement for us to disregard those charges na ekọ honom no? Because the ripple effect ni ye temamfo no yet memfo no and how ni abenedie no ebeba yaso minister edina about the statement e tena office ani atre disregard na say ye moda bi me see 2022 say ye be na mo ye and disregard hwe asenka fo ni ji omo na so say yatum o man reverse omo ji omo na say yatum I think continuous engagement na kare betimi aboa yen. Because now I can say the private sector no and the only your transport, your commercial transport system no. Abanka say say. Ayalolo na bubu wesi wonu mu. Say paka. Metro mas kwa de nkan ho asem. Ayalolo na bubu wesi wonu mu. Ashenkafo eka say twamno pa ye nya adwuma so kora be say 2 days kora ye ni wo haw ne abenedia ebeja wo meso. So I believe, Minister, before the statement, because statement, you will say, in 2022, drivers now find yeshe. So no sense history, a tree and for catching say, we should do more consultation, pleading more. Because when we come in, say, "Nyantro no mucha." Nyantro. Obia no cha insurance for the car biano, and him say afi ne blokosro. Maybe be a make up minkin yo ntino certainly aboso kai ko bebrebe ne e bia me nkose ne trotro da be kono. But we say some run be 12 hours within a day ntino what yase and 31 ko aboso kai. So many nim send your mukwa aboso kai ko to spare parts a se na ne bo na etie ene ba bia ne bo aba bedru. Die na aban eye wo ho. Because musu nyuma sugu. Ye boama aban enya to e de asiesie ye man no. Na o see e make sure say e to no betimi akoso aboama amanfo business akosoro. The only time I be GRA, or TV and answer radio so, yes, will be a smart woman so, and I say the new tax about my church him. Yeah, they talk about how do we engage the business community. Some petrol de ebe or how near Benedi betting bring business. But if you say, I had a friend here, you be young with Jack Hanum. We don't do that. Even a miss about insurance premium. Yet to my minister for transport. When you know you have insurance premium. Obi no issue disregard statement. Obi no issue that statement. But then a rush and kafone I affect you musika omenya na dan den na no so person pass it on to the general public. You say disregard. Are we only interested in the taxes now against the survival business now? Because business there are no taxes. Minister, no say businesses egu Ghana. There are no taxes to be collected. O kwaje to everyone o. Maduma nagu to baje hwan to. Aban fan hihye betimi aboa ma businesses a survive ye. Because in business kosoro na me twa ho to a enye me ye bebre chen say me die mini. Na me say twa to ya. Ofa anu magam. Ena na meka no. Me say Ghana say your tax system ne tie no. Nipa bebre ye kalabule wo system nim. Nipa bebre ye kalabule wo system nim. Because one yes sir, who be a business 2-3 years e be fully up. So me tia tax ninja oh boy, untimi survive. Omon ka GR phone nim sad way. Obi so me tia tax see palo boy 2-3 years so juma begu. Untimi to mo answer per question say ya regular system say ye kosa. I think we should be more interested in how do we maintain businesses? Because o money dread ye need to me gina here and o man so wo sika. But if I go back to GPRT4 statement no. Se no mo kan nya no credit ya ye nyina nyentum se nya no credit. Me patro nya no credit se and insurance premium ya tum. Me patro nya no credit se and abo so kai ko won mu a charges a ujijo spare parts no ne bo kosoro. So based on what the bit me aka so we should disregard here almost requested for. Minister Ghana for nya trotro no for yakoba die. Ye trotro nya me nshada nya papa bia na so ya bende. Ya che ni enya ya no. But one fan so better than free Medina Baseka. So I think there's still your work grace period kakra wom. Media makosi say o jamin ko ade the disregard statement nanka enya say minister with all due respect. Because me see ye be 2022. Drivers nan disregard it. Omo increase ye. Ghana for a trip because need to be 19 free meduma. And I think we are going to the table so Minister of Transport so no eni kwase say ya ha no mo de akoye finance ne GR for asemo me ke benyedi but the whole effect ne pa de person me disregard. Minister when you from no to bi na mo kan take no frata. It is some of the taxes no and more business it me nyina mo na so ye. Too much. Now me say attach here say Oforiata no resign to save his own self. On resign here. On resign na resign china. On konen kwachina. You're the same people touting him. His credentials. The best finance minister. The top notch. If we are seeing our finance minister, best one. And then one second Oforiata and resign. Adwin eto no bo siama samuko na me mpanifo no kwatasa mon kan cheke no frata se ne wo ye no ehun sunsuaso be ba momo so ebi na ne ya ba bedru mu ebi na ne ya ba ye ntie ne ye to ahyentade abuo mu a enye ke no frata na issue statement o honorable siama na we issue and na disregard na so kra na enye police and na disregard it. too much. No kre aban here sika. But no kre so Ghana for survive. So you find a way to balance it well. A 20 dollars do. Too much. A 20 too much. Kakrabia and yanyeska way it was a trouba, yanyeska it was a trouba. Me was council agents, ye managing a year. And you could play you supported your book I could be $400. Okay, Semenka. Because I buy a yebi. I buy a yebi. And you could find one eddy can yebi. And we are on Friday. And you are a son, what do you share? I still want to say, Minister of Transport, I want to believe, say beyond this statement, you continue to engage Ashenka Fono. Because when you get so many we are ye, untimi nya hwehwe. Ne be nyina say, ne ba na aban kan bio, na tiro menti enkusiaga. Show face keke. Me dey akwasinsia. Ye dey pense mu to say for na say kuma Kingdom Herbal Center. Over the Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules, New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules, and tremendous capsules. Best way as me zipping bito. Ghana baby a ton do be akwa ansa be can be at of 0275 804064 0275 804064. In pense mu etwaso.